the hidden secrets inside your body, the things living in you right now. Let's begin. You probably think your body is one single, clean, well-organized entity, run by a smart central brain that's totally in control. But in truth, you're more like a biological apartment complex. A tiny planet filled with billions of microscopic tenants, eating, breeding, arguing, and using you as their transportation. Every inch of your skin, gut, nose, and even your brain is home to invisible residents living their own little lives. Some are friendly, some are freeloaders, and a few are just waiting for the perfect moment to betray you. Your body has around 30 trillion human cells, but the microbes living inside you outnumber them. If they ever held an election, you'd lose by a landslide. Your gut is the New York City of microbes, dense, loud, and never asleep. They digest your food, make vitamins, and, surprise, manipulate your emotions. When you suddenly crave bubble tea or feel sad for no reason, it might not be heartbreak. It might be your gut bacteria texting your brain, "Hey, send more sugar down here." They talk to your nervous system through the vagus nerve, like biological hackers pinging your control center. And you, poor thing, just assume it's your idea. Inside that digestive metropolis, peace and chaos coexist. Good citizens like lactobacillus keep order, while troublemakers like Clostridium difficile wait for you to slip up so they can riot. When they do, your stomach becomes an angry protest, loud, smelly, and impossible to ignore. But the party doesn't stop at your gut. Your skin is its own jungle. Your armpits are humid tropics, your forehead is an oil desert, and your feet are swamps. Every area hosts its own unique ecosystem. And if you've ever wondered why your body odor smells uniquely yours, it's because your microscopic roommates have their own perfume preferences. Deep inside, millions of immune cells act as licensed assassins, patrolling, killing, dissolving anything suspicious. If they took a break for just a few hours, your body would turn into a biological landfill. But sometimes these cells get overexcited and attack innocent bystanders. That's how autoimmune diseases happen. Basically, your immune system is like a SWAT team that occasionally shoots the hostage. And then there are creatures that don't just live inside you, they control you. Toxoplasma gondii, for example, makes infected mice lose their fear of cats. In humans, it may increase risk-taking and impulsivity. So if you've ever made a really dumb decision, congratulations, you might have a tiny parasite driving your brain. Here's another fun fact. You're not entirely human. About 8% of your DNA is ancient viral code, leftovers from viruses that infected our ancestors millions of years ago. Some of that code still runs today, helping form the placenta or activate immune responses. In other words, your body is the product of millions of years of genetic hacking. And like any system that's been hacked, sometimes it still crashes. When those old viral sequences misfire, the result can be cancer or autoimmune breakdowns. Oh, and remember that sterile brain scientists used to brag about? Not anymore. Microbes have been found inside healthy brain tissue. No one knows how they got there or what they're doing, but if they're real, it means even your thoughts might have an invisible audience. Maybe as you watch this video, some of them are whispering, "Do you think he's figured it out yet?" Then we have fungi, the silent tenants. Candida albicans, for instance, lives peacefully in your gut until you get tired, stressed, or take antibiotics. Then it mutinies, doubling its population and taking over like a neighbor who moves in while you're on vacation. Scientists have even found fungal DNA in human brains. No one knows why it's there. But if you've ever said your brain feels moldy, well, you might not be wrong. Your body isn't just flesh and nerves. It's a social network. Each cell is constantly messaging others with electrical, chemical, and light signals. If Facebook is where you complain, hormones are TikTok, fast, chaotic, viral. And the immune system is Reddit, where everyone argues forever. Every second your cells text, argue, gossip, and sometimes ghost each other. The you think you control is just the user account in a vast biological system. When you choose pizza, it's not your decision. Billions of cells already voted. You're just signing the approval form. Still think you're in charge? Here's a twist. Your body emits light. Really. Every cell gives off faint photons called biophotons. You can't see them, but sensitive machines can. In complete darkness, your body glows like a microscopic light bulb. The question is, who's watching? Your body is a self-sustaining miniature planet where ancient genes, microbial empires, and electrical storms coexist to keep you alive, and, occasionally, to mess you up. You're not one organism. You're a civilization, a collective intelligence made of cells, microbes, and old viral ghosts. And you, my friend, are just their spokesperson. So if anyone asks who you're living with, the honest answer is trillions of tiny residents, eating, sleeping, and dreaming inside you. That's all for today. I'll make more videos like this in the future. Subscribe so you don't miss them.